In this video, we're going to teach you how to teach your dog to walk on the treadmill. In our case, it took Max about 1 week to figure it out. Lots of treats, tons of patience, and a whole bunch of laughs.
You got this. Let's go. That's right.
So the first thing I wanted to do was get Max up on the treadmill. Once Max was focused on me, I started to slowly move the treadmill with my feet. I didn't want to turn it on yet because it might be too fast. Alright, let's speed this up. We did this for about 10 minutes, and then we called it a day. For day 2, we're pretty much going to do more of the same. Although notice this time I'm pushing the treadmill a little bit further. So for the first half of this day, we're going to start off the treadmill, pushing again with my hands, and after he gets the hang of it, we're going to finally turn it on.
Good boy.
Wow, Max is doing a great job with the treadmill turned on. Not too bad for 3 days of training. Cuteness break. Day 4, let's go fast. Well, maybe that's just a little too fast. I always keep my hand on this emergency release just in case he jumps off. Let's try this next time with the leash and see how that goes. Well, maybe we both don't fit on this treadmill. Don't do that. Oh, sorry, here. Stop it. Okay, I have to admit, we actually took a couple days off in between this. So, really, we're just trying to get him used to the treadmill again. I just can't get over how funny Max is. He's always doing something silly. Okay, so after that, Max finally got the hang of it again. Let's watch and see how well he does. We did it! Max can now walk on the treadmill. Well, it looks like we were successful. Max can actually walk on the treadmill himself. Wow, I'm a great trainer. Look at him go. Oh, wait, okay, well, I'm sure he's gonna get back on. Max, get on the treadmill. Come on, buddy. Go on, get up there. Like this? No, not like that. Come on. Okay, there we go. Now it's back at it again. Now there's my little professional. Look at him go. Man, he is so talented. Alright, so let's do a quick recap. Step 1. Get your dog used to the treadmill. Step 2. Start slow and push the treadmill with your feet. Step 3. Turn it on. And finally, step 4, repeat steps 1 through 3 as many times as you need till you have a professional just like Max. Hey everybody, hope you guys liked that video. We had a lot of fun making it. Max certainly enjoyed it. It's always a lot of fun when you can teach your dog a new skill. Hopefully you guys follow along at home and you can teach your dog how to run on the treadmill. Leave me a comment down below and let me know if this worked for you. Also, if you guys like this video, give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe for more awesome videos. Also, if you guys haven't seen our TikTok, go ahead and check it out. I'm sure it's gonna make you smile. Now, on to the bloopers.
Good boy. Good boy. Hey everybody, welcome back to Simply See. Wait, I messed up. In this video, we're going to teach your dog how to run on a treadmill. Isn't that right, Max? Using nothing but a treadmill, some peanut butter, and some celery. Results may vary. Look at her. Look at Chloe. She pulled that out of my... Look at her. She's eating all the rest of the treats out of my pocket. That's too fast. Calm down. He's so dirty from the rain.
He needs a bath.
Oh, got me. Look at me. Sit. Sit. No, you're not going to dig it out of me. Sit. Sit. Max, sit. Good boy. Sit. He's like, I'm done. That's too fast. No, you... Calm down. This is the weirdest you've ever been. Good boy. Good boy. Keep going. Good boy. Chloe, you want to get on?
That's too fast for her.
Up. Wait, that's actually too fast.